Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Prepare with Arun. In this video we are going to discuss the numerical problems in biology from the chapter Reproduction. So the first type of sum is determining the number of chromosomes. So number of chromosomes in meiocytes is 2n, the number of chromosomes in gametes is n. That is, in gametes we'll have half the number of chromosomes as meiocytes because meiocytes are diploid and gametes are haploid. In human beings, the number of chromosomes in meiocyte is 46. What will be the number of chromosomes in the gamete? So gamete will have half the number, so it is 46 by 2. Gametes will have 23 chromosomes. This table shows what are all haploid, diploid and triploid. Microspore, pollen grains, male gamete, female gamete, synergids, antipodals all are haploid. Microspore mother cell, any part of shoot system, megaspore mother cell, zygote, embryo, pollen mother cell, all are diploid. Endosperm, primary endosperm nucleus are triploid. The male gametes of green plant have 12 chromosomes in their nucleus. The chromosome number in the female gamete and zygote respectively will be. So the number of chromosomes in male gametes is 12. Gametes are haploid. Whether it's a male gamete or female gamete, it is haploid. So if male gamete has 12 chromosomes, female gamete will also have 12 chromosomes. Zygote is diploid. So it will be having 2 into 12, that is 24 chromosomes. If the diploid number of chromosomes in an angiosperm plant is 16, what will be the number of chromosomes in the endosperm and antipodal cell? So diploid is given, therefore 2n is equal to 16. So we know that endosperm is triploid and antipodal cell is haploid. So endosperm will have 3n nucleus. If 2n is equal to 16, n is equal to 8. If a number of chromosomes in endosperm is 3n, that is 24. And in antipodal cell it is haploid, so it's just n, that is equal to 8. A flower of tomato plant following the process of sexual reproduction produces 240 viable seeds. Answer the following questions giving reasons. What is the minimum number of pollen grains that must have been involved in the pollination of its pistil? So one pollen grain involves in a fertilization of one ovule to produce one seed. So how is a seed produced? It is produced by fertilization of pollen grain and ovule. So we need one pollen grain for fertilization of one ovule to produce one seed. So we have 240 viable seeds here. Therefore, 240 pollen grain should be involved. Similarly, what would have been the minimum number of ovules present in the ovary? It's similar to the pollen grains only. So one ovule after fertilization produce one seed. So since we have 240 viable seeds, 240 ovules should be the minimum number to produce 240 seeds. How many megaspore mother cells were involved? One megaspore mother cell will produce 4 megaspores, out of which one will be functional. That means one megaspore mother cell will produce only one functional megaspore. Okay, so we want 240. So the answer is 240 megaspore mother cells. What is the minimum number of microspore mother cell involved in the above case? Okay, one microspore mother cell will divide to form 4 pollen grains. We have already seen that we had 240 pollen grains. So from one microspore mother cell we will get 4 pollen grains. So in order to get 240 pollen grains, there should have been at least 60 microspore mother cell. So the answer is 240 by 4, 60. How many male gametes were involved in this case? So each pollen grain carries 2 male gametes. So we had 240 pollen grains. So 240 into 2, 480 male gametes. So secondary spermatocytes, spermatid, spermatozoa, secondary oocyte, ovum, all are haploid. Germinal epithelium, spermatogonia, primary spermatocytes, oogonia, primary oocyte, zygote, all are diploid. The spermatogonial cell has 46 chromosomes in human male. Give the number of chromosomes in the following: primary spermatocyte and spermatid. So the spermatogonial cell is diploid, so it has 2n, that is 46 chromosomes. Primary spermatocyte is also diploid, so it will also have 46 chromosomes, and spermatid is haploid, so it has 2n by 2, that is 46 by 2, 23 chromosomes. If you like my explanation, please do like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel Prepare with Arun. Thank you.